And welcome to the 14th tutorial in the Cocos2d-x JavaScript tutorial series. And in this tutorial we'll be looking at the RotateTo method to be able to rotate a sprite. You can use it to rotate any sort of item, but we'll be using a sprite. This tutorial assumes that you've done tutorial 3 and we'll be using that as a code base. If not, there'll be a link in the description to that source code, and as usual there'll be a link in the description to the source code produced from this project as well. This tutorial, sorry. And the RotateTo method basically rotates your item to a particular angle. That's all it does, and if you try and apply the same rotation action again, it won't rotate it anymore because it's already there. But let's just get into the code and just show you how it works. I'm going to open up the Xcode project from tutorial 3. Once it's open, we want to go to the myapp.js. Below where we've added the sprite as a child, we want to create a action, so var sprite underscore action equals cc.rotate2.create, open bracket, we're going to put the duration of the animation, we're going to put 2 seconds, now we're going to put 90 degrees, close bracket, semicolon, I'm going to put this dot my sprite dot run action, open bracket, sprite action, close bracket, semicolon. Sort out the formatting as usual. It is a pain, but it's just one of those things. Now just compile and run the application in the simulator. Once it's loaded, we'll get a sprite in the middle, which will rotate 90 degrees clockwise. There you go. But what we'll do, we'll create a repeat action to repeat this action several times, and you'll see that once it gets to 90 degrees, it doesn't rotate anymore. So we're going to call it repeat action equals cc.repeat.create, open bracket. First of all, we give it the action we want to repeat, so sprite action. Now the number of times we want it to repeat, so 3 times, close bracket, semicolon. Sort out the formatting, run the repeat action, not the sprite action, click the run button, and here we go, it's rotating, there you go, rotated to 90 degrees, but not anymore because it's already rotated to 90 degrees, so it can't rotate anymore, unlike the rotate by, which was in the previous tutorial, which will just keep rotating it because it's relative to its current rotation, not its original rotation. But there you go, that's rotation. In the next tutorial we'll be looking at tint by, but that's for the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.